Hello everyone, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Capleton mourns the loss of his longtime manager, Claudette Kemp. Family members of the music stalwart shared the message via WhatsApp on Friday that the reggae icon's longtime manager had passed. The news saw tributes from those in the industry and Capleton himself sharing his memories of Miss Kemp, his manager of 21 years. Entertainment Minister Olivia Grange in a release said Mrs. Kemp was a strong woman in the business. She was sincere and caring and one of the most diligent and professional individuals in the business of music entertainment in Jamaica. Kemp, who was suffering from kidney disease, died at the University Hospital of the West Indies where she was a patient. Reggae Sumfest boosts promotion overseas. Now, over the weekend, the biggest reggae music festival in Jamaica shared a special performance by one of this year's billed acts, Chino McGregor, on Pix 11 as they promoted the 30th anniversary of the festival. Chino performed his hit single, From Morning.
From morning, we are hustle and put we all in. When we work, we not free, no stalling. From morning, hey, so we stay, never ever change. Oh yeah, we never ever change. No.
Now, Chino shared in an interview on following in his father's footsteps.
The blueprint was always there, but the inevitable happened and here we are.
Chino will hit the stage on night 2 with the entire McGregor family for a special showcase. Now, Reggae Sumfest, a staple on the entertainment calendar in Montego Bay, St. James, starts the week of events on July 16 and then moves into the weekend with the big Sumfest stage shows. Now, Grammy-nominated rapper Nicki Minaj was a victim of swatting. Over the weekend, it was revealed that the rap star faced 2 attempts at what law enforcers called swatting attack after a prankster claimed her 2-year-old son was being abused. According to reports, Nicki and her husband received a visit from investigators early this month at her Los Angeles mansion after a false report to authorities that her son was being abused. A second call was made, reporting that there was a fire at Nicki's home. Now, the LA County Sheriff's Department identified the incidents as swatting as there was no truth to both allegations. Nicki has reportedly told her lawyers to investigate and pursue legal action against the alleged perpetrators. Now, still on Nicki, over the weekend, she shared snippets of her upcoming Barbie Girl remix with Ice Spice. Barbie World simultaneously sees the biggest single from Barbie the album, the accompanying soundtrack to Greta Gerwig's Barbie set for theaters this July, and the second collaboration between Nicki and breakout rapper Ice Spice. The weekend was festive for the Queen of Rap as she also announced on Twitter her next album this October. She simply said 10/20/23, the album. Her barbs sent her trending as they shared their excitement at the surprise news. Nicki's last album was Queen 5 years ago in 2018. She re-released her 2009 mixtape Beam Me Up Scotty in 2021. Nicki also dropped her first single for this year, Red Ruby the Sleeves, in March. A lot to watch out for Miss Minaj. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.